Here's a couple hints about drawing eyes. Before you even start, if you're drawing eyes of an animal, if you're drawing eyes of a bird, or if you're drawing eyes of a person, what you should do is you should study a fair number of books or a fair number of images about that animal. The nice thing about the internet is that you can go to Google search and then do an image search for the eyes of a falcon, for instance, or just falcons in general, and then get high definition pictures and zoom in on the eye. Get a couple of different ones until you get a feel of what the eyes are shaped like and how the shadows fall across them and some of the reflections, and then choose one that you really like, and then use that as your basis or your template in which to work from. The thing that you always want to try to do is not end up with a two-dimensional flat eye, because the eye is going to carry the personality and will make your drawing come alive, and you'll start to feel it right away when you get the eye correct, because you'll see and feel that personality of the animal starts to come forward. The thing that you also want to do is make sure that the eyes sort of pop off the page and become your focal point for your portrait of the animal. And so in order to do that, you have to make sure that the eye itself doesn't match the color of the background. Try to make sure the eye is a different color than the background or than any other aspect of the portrait, and you'll find then the people's eyes will be drawn to the actual eye of the animal. Good luck with the eyes. Take your time, zoom in lots, and you'll find that you can produce something that will amaze everyone. Good luck and work hard. Thank you for watching the Drawing Digitally video. Don't forget to comment, suggest, and subscribe.